Wow, brothers, look. What do you think I put on this Titan Hammerhead? Isn't it great? This is what I did some time ago. The 3D printed shock-absorbing landing gear that I have shared with you. This time, I also want to try using this landing gear on this hammerhead shark. The original version can only be thrown by hand, which is difficult for novices. And tail-pushing planes are also dangerous. It's easy to hit. Below, I will show you how I installed it. In the engine room, I put a steering gear on it. This allows for steering and a smooth takeoff. I also installed flight control on this plane. All right. Let's take a look at the bottom of the plane. Let's first look at the installation of the rear wheels. The installation of this landing gear is mainly used for utilization. The print is set as a part in the slicing software. This allows for automatic slicing into card slots. The landing gear can be inserted directly. Glue firmly with glue if necessary. Let's look at the nose landing gear again. The nose gear is simpler. It can be set as a cylindrical negative part to open a hole. In fact, it is more troublesome. It is the mounting frame of the servo, which needs to be measured by yourself. In the printed file, add some parts, and the part should also have 2 screw holes. Can you see this to indicate that you also want to try? Friends who are interested in model aircraft? You can follow me. See you next time.